I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy.
So Joy, tomorrow is our annual picnic ng ating Barkada. So we're excited and we are preparing what to bring tomorrow.
Yes, sinabi na ni Marie yung part ko. So we are preparing simple recipe na seafood.
Grilled shrimp.
Grilled shrimp. Yes. So,
Nakalimutan
kasi kinuha niya yung part ko. But anyway. So, gagawa kami ngayon ng grilled shrimp. And napakasimple nitong recipe na to at napakasarap. So, here are the ingredients.
Anong unang step natin, Joy? We will combine first.
Gagawin na muna natin yung mga marinade natin. So, we'll pour
Olive oil.
Okay.
Sandali, ilagay ko na lang para what's next? Ikaw nang mamili dyan.
Oh, let's do the garlic.
Garlic.
And then, our cilantro.
Madikit. Okay.
Cayenne pepper. For
Yes.
spice, a little kick.
And color too.
And color too. And then, our lemon juice.
So, since may lemon siya, guys, so dapat hindi nyo i-marinate ng more than 2 hours. 15 minutes and not more than 2 hours. Do not overnight marinate it too. Kasi maluluto yung shrimp, diba, Joy?
Yes. So, mga 15 to 20 minutes
pwede
should
na.
be fine. And then, salt and pepper.
Ganda naman yan. Lalagay mo, Joy. Okay,
And
so
just mix it.
mix, and then we will put our shrimp.
Then, we'll add our shrimp.
Wow.
So, by the way, guys, yung shrimp namin, it's peeled na. Wala na siyang shell.
Yeah, at saka pwede nyong lagyan ng tail or pwede nyong alisin yung tail. Kasi lalagay natin sa
Skewers. So, just mix it well. And then, that's it. So, you'll just wait mga 15 to 20 minutes and that should be fine. So, while we're minamarinate natin tong shrimp natin, gagawa naman tayo ng salsa.
wow.
So, we'll set this aside.
Okay. I-refrigerate natin yan.
Yes,
so,
we'll
I will cover it to refrigerate. So, now, while we're waiting for our grilled shrimp to marinate, magagawa naman tayo ng mango salsa.
Yes, and these are the ingredients.
Wow, Joy! Ang galing mo! Ang bilis na natin pagka-chop.
Yes,
So,
you're right. So,
yeah.
we
Pa-chop-chop
can
lang
start.
ng mango, ng tomato, and our
cilantro.
cilantro. And of course, salt and pepper, no?
Oo.
Okay, so combine lang.
Combine lang natin,
Wala yung
napakadali,
ano po.
diba? So, let's get in one.
Ibalo. Joy, ayun.
Sayang naman yan. Let's put everything
Ayaw
in.
eh. Yan.
And then our cilantro. Maraming cilantro, di ba dapat?
And then sometimes, di ba, nagagawa ka rin na may cucumber. Kaso
Oo,
wala kaming
wala
cucumber.
kaming cucumber available today. So,
Yeah.
so we'll just mix it together.
Bagay na bagay to sa grilled
Shrimp
shrimp.
natin. Oo.
Yes.
Tapos, nalagyan natin ngayon ng salt. A little bit salt lang.
So guys, I hope you will try this. Cool.
Yes. Oh,
And
so
if you are also new to our channel, please subscribe, click that little button there, and also like the video. Don't forget to like the video because kailangan ng like kasi masarap naman siya eh.
Alright, so this is our salsa now. Pwede natin siyang i-marinate a little bit. And then, ready na nating tusukin ng ating shrimp. I
Oo,
think.
kasi kakatawa namin naka 15 minutes na.
Alright, so this, we can set this aside and then we'll show you how we put the shrimp sa skewers. Gusto ko lang i-pinpoint, Marie, na sinoak namin to sa water.
Ah, yes.
So, the longer, it's better. Pero I think,
Nag-overnight ka ba, Joy?
normally I do overnight. Pero ngayon, mga siguro 3 hours ko lang to na soak.
Kasi yung in-overnight ko na sinok, naiwan ko sa bahay. So
make sure to soak your skewers para hindi siya masunog. Okay? So
let's get the shrimp.
Ganito yung pag-tusok ng shrimp.
So,
Yeah.
sige, go ahead.
Go ahead. So, pwede nyo rin gawin nyo rin na shrimp kebab. You can add pineapple, bell pepper, and onions too in between ng shrimp. Parang something for fun and pakulay rin, like to bring colors.
Pampadami rin.
Oo, pampadami rin.
At saka, iwasan yung merong parang space para hindi
ma-burn.
masunog. It will not burn. Stick siya. You can also use like, ano ba yan yung mga hindi wood na may ganun pa
Yung
ba?
metal.
Yung metal na
Wala ako nun.
meron sa
Wala
bahay
tayo.
pero I don't use it. I like the wood. I don't know why.
Oo.
Reminds me of
See, and then okay.
ang laki nitong shrimp
I
na
know,
to.
ito nga isang malaki. So,
Gagawa pa
ganito
tayo
lang siya.
ng madami for tomorrow. But
Oo.
for now, we wanted to show you how to prepare it.
So, pinilihit na natin yung griddle natin. You can also use a grill if you have one, but since we have this, we're doing this indoor. Naka-preheat na siya. Then we'll just, ito yung tira ng marinade niya. So, I'm just gonna brush this griddle natin para hindi siya dumikit. Okay, and then we'll place this. So, not too long, mabilis lang. Siguro mga
2 minutes each
2 minutes
side.
each side. Okay. And then, while it's doing that, we can also use yung leftover na
Wow! Okay pa na yun, hindi mag-isunog yung stick mo.
diba?
But tomorrow we will grill it, right?
Yeah, outdoor. Mga 2 minutes to 3 minutes, yeah, each side.
Or pag nag-pink na siya, right?
Oo.
Ang ating, indicator.
Naluto na ang shrimp. Okay guys, this is our finished product, our grilled shrimp.
Yum.
Alright.
Oh, natikman ko na. Sorry, I cannot wait. So, ang sarap niya. And we will make more for tomorrow's picnic. So, if you have not yet watched our
Menudo,
previous
yes.
video, Menudo, please click the link here, your right top. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe,
and hit that notification bell. Alright guys, so si Marie naka-taste na, so I'm gonna try my this side. How about with
Mango?
mango salsa? Tikman natin.
Oop,
You know what?
nahulog eh.
Meron siyang a little kick ng cayenne pepper. So, I think sa akin, okay lang siya.
Ako okay lang, pero kay less daw ng cayenne pepper. Okay, sayang naman yun.
So guys, we'll finish this and we'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye!